Hi, this pronunciation cookie tackles a few opposites when we use some business, or better to say, financial vocabulary. And off we go. Gino hands out the blank forms. So these forms are empty. They do not contain your name or the data they are requesting. And in the second statement, Gina hands in the filled out forms. When you work as an employee for a company, it could be that you work for an administrative agency, which is not privately held, but you could also say it's governmental, but it's not so common to use. These administrative agencies, those are very common in Italy. When you need to withdraw money, you go to the ATM and not the bancomat. You withdraw money from the ATM or the cash machine or a cash point near a bank, for example, where you could also maybe have the possibility to deposit money. You can also deposit money through a bank account. A major mistake, a major advantage, a major income. Please pay attention to major. You could say you hear a D and a sort of a Z, major. Or minor expenditure, which is the opposite, but that's a vocabulary thing. So we have advantages and disadvantages. When you listen to English, sometimes it's very hard to understand the difference, although here we have really opposite meanings. To owe money to somebody is when you need to give this person some money that this person maybe has lent. Okay, so you borrowed some money from this person and you still owe this person to pay this person back. Or you own money, which is in fact not 100% the opposite, but then you possess this money. You have this money in your pocket. You own a house, you own a car maybe, but you owe somebody a favor, or you owe somebody a drink. Or you could say, thank you so much that you have done this for me. I owe you one. The sales figures that maybe are represented in a graph peak. This is a regular verb, so you could also say, last year they peaked. This year they dropped. I hope it's the opposite. To earn a living is to make money. To be out of work is to be unemployed. And then if something is too expensive, you cannot afford it. Or when something has the right price for your budget, it is affordable. Affordable. And some alternatives for yes could be, why not? Sure thing. Definitely. Sounds good. Sounds like a plan. Or, of course I'll do that. Consider it done. A little bit more formal is, that shouldn't be a problem. By all means is an expression that you might use when somebody asks you, for example, to lend your pen, or please pass me something to drink on the table, and then you would answer, by all means. A little bit like, no problem. If you'd like to train further in this way, please join our online classes on englishintheflow.com.